Oga Javi, good evening, sir.
Kubala, go straight to the point. I'm not a good mood now.
Okay, sir. Real Madrid give you 4 something, make you hold for hand today. Wetin make you collect 4 of them chook for pocket, sir?
Oh my God.
Which kind parable be this?
I dey talk in a way make e no too pain you, sir.
Your papa, wetin you watch today no be correct match. You know wetin we dey do them on the normal now.
Wetin be that?
Wetin carry this one come here now?
Why you dey talk nonsense for here? I knock you woto. I show you who be boss. You dey here dey cover yanyash.
I never knock you 4-0 before.
Now when I still dey play with you now.
Dirty head.
My dirty head. Your father left to go.
Kubala, I no fit stand this man with one highbrow. Later we go continue this interview.
Where you dey go, short man?
Make I no swear for you.
You swear no fit reach me now. He short like you.
No problem.
Which kind nonsense number be this one, sef? Hello? Now who be this?
You no fit recognize your senior brother number.
No be my senior brother voice be this.
Oh, so you even get actual senior brother.
Idiot! Ororo! So now you be this.
This man, you wicked though. So if people like Mbappe and Neymar dey drown inside your shadow, you go still chook your whole family inside them. Nobody even know them.
My family, they're very calm, reserved, and very collected. You know they like your own. When your tiny sister go come out from nowhere, they shout like cockroach when no one tie. On top matter where she no even dey aware of.
At least she no dey suffocate inside my shadow.
Wetin that one come mean now?
Wetin I dey talk sef? The whole Argentina dey suffocate inside your shadow.
The whole Portugal no dey missing in action inside your shadow. Even your president's name dey incognito.
As I no know your president's name, you sure say you never strangle the poor man inside your shadow?
Your president nko? Una even get president?
Oh yeah, I don do.
No na, continue. Ticket wey dey attempt to call pot black. If you like, no talk wetin make you call.
Na true sef. Al Jazeera talk say your relationship with PSG fans dey at the highest level.
Wetin you mean by highest level?
Me, if I score goal, everybody dey shout, see. Even your pikin dey follow shout.
Oh my
But
God.
you no even need to score goal sef. If you just touch ball, PSG fans go dey shout, boo. How you take amass that kind love?
You be mumu. Na throw you control abi? Wait sef. Na only Al Jazeera una dey allowed to watch for that part of the world. Abi e get any other oily TV station where people fit watch?
Your papa, I hear say you cry one time like that, wey dem use boo almost burst your eardrum. Na tears of joy abi na emotional damage?
Wetin dey worry dis oily merchant?
I even hear say one of my oily brothers wan acquire your emotional service.
And the money wey dem wan pay me big pass your own.
That one no mean anything. Money no get value for here. Money and numbers, I no know which one plenty pass for this country.
Abegi, you dey jealous?
For wetin? I even wan make you come here sef. I wan teach you 1 or 2 stuffs about football.
How to trap oily ball? Abi na how to dribble in oily field?
Your brain get oil.
God forbid.
Idiot. I no mean am like that.
I know dey still come. I no be mercenary.
Okay now. Next time wey dem boo you finish ba, just call me. Make I introduce you to how to live an oil lifestyle.
Thunder fire oil.